Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're keeping well. Uh, Can you hear me? Okay, welcome everyone. We'll start our last lesson. Today lesson will go through our assignment discussion and we'll recap, what we learned and how we can prepare our assignment. And I'll show you all the relevant resources. Please, sample assignment is available on our Moodle page. Please, you can follow Moodle accordingly as well. And let's we'll start. Please, if any question, feel free ask during delivery of the lesson or at the end. And if you like one-to-one, so please let me know or let us know. We can book few sessions with you one-to-one. Okay, welcome everyone. We'll start. Okay, so please, first of all, we have given the assignment brief. Normally we follow as it is. Uh, and look the unit specification during our lessons. Please, we learn about all the indicative contents as given in the unit. So if I'll quickly show you, hope you can see. Welcome, thanks for joining. So this is unit 1, corporate reporting, which we already had 4 lessons. Please, this lesson is about assignment discussion, understand the fundamental ethical professional principle in relation to accounting standards. So we discuss about various accounting standards like IS1, IS2, IS7, 16, 20, 36, 37, 38, which we discuss, so that can be, we discuss about conceptual framework, and thus, this task is more about these standards. They are LO2, we discuss about appropriateness of financial reporting framework, and we already had a discussion. Good afternoon, thanks for joining. So please, so when you do these uh, learning outcomes within our assignment, so please you can focus on the indicative content that will help you to prepare your assignment. So if you're explaining these are the key points, it means you're meeting the criteria, which is our LO1. You're achieving all the assessment criteria, which we'll go through in a minute, one by one. Okay, then task 2 was about revenue, non-current asset, financial instrument, leases. We discuss about IFRS 16, fair value adjustment. We discuss about, the impairment, asset and sole trader partnership. We discuss about, the financial statement layout accordingly, which we can, and we discuss about the consolidated statement as well. So the LO3, which is more about the group of entities, we discuss sole trader. We discuss about parent, subsidiary, and associate, during our lesson. So please, when you're doing each learning outcome, so you can open, if it's LO1, it's a lesson 1, LO2, lesson 2, LO3, lesson 3, LO4, lesson 4, which was about the ratios. We prepare 5 types of financial ratios we can categorize into, and we discuss about stakeholder, different people, those are interested to review these financial statements. That is our unit specification, which we deliver accordingly. Now we have given assignment brief, which we not prepared ourselves, is prepared by awarding body. So please, we can focus, accordingly. Okay, so let's, look, you've been given a little scenario, always read, and it's better to be, you can contextualize your discussion. So you're employed as a financial accountant for SMEs, which is a small, medium or medium-sized accounting firm in your local area. And you have worked, for the firm last 5 years, and very positive feedback you have, and you have a chance, really uh, promotions as well, new bonus scheme. Okay, sure. I'll share with you via chat. Okay, if you give me a minute, I can share with you first. please, in your chat box, you have a unit specification and assignment brief. So please, focus on the assignment brief. We've been given the task and we have few tasks. If we look the task one underneath is written there 1.1, 1.2, which is mean assessment criteria 1.1, 1.2. So 1.1 is explain the importance of professional behavior compliance with accounting standard. So we can discuss about ethics and the standards and the rules which we can, and I'll explain you further. Ethical requirement in a corporate reporting, we have the principle based approach and we have a rule based approach. So principle is more about the ethics moral principle, and the rule based is more laws like the legislation which we have to follow. And then please 2.1, we have assessed the application of the financial reporting framework. So we can say conceptual framework, financial reporting framework. We can look around the strength and the weaknesses. Why still people are using creative accounting, the new standard need to be, or further it can be argument on these which we can. And please, if you log in on Moodle, you can find the sample assignment is available there. Hope so you have access. If not, I can forward you later on as well. Okay, then please, if you want to work toward the merit criteria, low M is the crime, fail in life, no crime. So always good to be work toward the higher grades. Yes, so merit criteria, you guide, must compare and contrast. If you're doing reporting performance, different entities, if you're including that, which is 2.1, like you're looking the sole trader, you're looking the partnership, any example you're adding, you're meeting the criteria of merit in this case, which I included the template in our LO2 or PowerPoint slides as well, please, the layout are just a simple partnership accounts if you include, and sole traded, it can be compare and contrast. Okay, then please, you have decided to prepare the practically, the business case study, then showing to prepare the financial statement for a group of entities. So this is your group of entity. So please, if you look underneath, is being given 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. We have the criteria they're asking you in this LO3. So open the lesson 3 lecture slide you've been given, and we discuss, and I recommend you, and is given there which question, and the us one handout which I shared with you in the previous week, last week, so you can find on the WhatsApp group. I already send you as well, so please you can follow as given in the WhatsApp group, so you can, other than that, which I mentioned you, open tuition, I gave you, mention you F7 of ACC exam, and you can download and you can pick the question from there. You can include, and you can discuss, explain the group structures, like, the how much parent subsidiaries, like, it's more than 50% if they have is a subsidiary. So what is the group structure? How much share you and associate, so that's you can discuss, and you can prepare the statement that will meet the criteria. To achieve the merit, you must look around the accounting requirement related to the foreign transaction, of course, the foreign transaction adjustment and the tax. So we can add some examples, so that will help, so we need to be make sure as a group, maybe your companies all around the world, so many subsidiaries, you have to prepare the group statement, and you have to convert the currencies, and you can add some examples that will meet the criteria. If you want to work toward the distensions, of course, if you're doing with the changes, with the adjustment in your assignment, and any example you picking as recommended in your lecture 3 slides, please you can pick the question, and I already send you the Kaplan handouts as well. That's quite good to use, and I already refer you ACC article which you can pick online, and like ACC article on the group structure, group company, so you can add the reference, you can include. Okay, next please, task 3. This is about the financial ratio discussion on the stakeholders. So please, LO4 is about the 4.1, 4.2. You can pick, the example. You can compare the two companies' financial ratios are 2 years, If you want, and maybe the performance, interpret who use it and why these need to be, and what sort of decision can be. And that's, very crucial, of course. Financial ratios, not only the criteria to make a decision for the future, we can look around the current environment. Maybe before COVID-19, financial ratios look good, but COVID-19 and what is the current and the future impact will be, so that the decision makers can be. So please, when you prepare your assignment, you've been given the guidance here. It's good document. You can follow as it is. That's, give you good clue, what sort of things you can discuss under these, tasks, like, when you're doing task one. So these are the key, the points, like you can discuss sole trader partnership, limited company. You can discuss about, AT, ACC. These are all, the accounting bodies. So you can look around, the different accounting standard. If you're explaining these, thanks for joining. So these you can explain in task one. Okay, task two, please, all about, which we can look around the cash flow and other statement if you're including and showing, adjustment within that, meet the criteria of merit as well. And then if you're doing your task, the three, please, you can think about, the ratios there is that's, based on our LO4. So underneath, you've been given all the guidance, which LO is assessed, like here you'll see there. It means you can open the lectures 4 slides. The previous task you can look around exactly the same way, and that will help you. Okay, so I'll share with you the template which I prepared for you as well, and the sample assignment available on our Moodle page. You can follow. Plus, I last lesson I already sent you the handouts as well. Let's, quick show you. Always good to be pleased. You have the cover page. So cover page is just about assignment on the subject title submitted by your student number. Of course, the School of Accounting and Finance, University Manchester campus, and then of course, that we can prepare the table of content. Always good to be. If you never prepare the table of content, it's good to be 2 minutes video on YouTube. How to prepare a table of content by using MS Word function that automatically update. If you're like in the figures move around, you click there and say update the page number, that will update, like, now you will see there. That's, which we can look around. So please, if you when you prepare, so you can little introduction in this assignment, going to discuss about ethics and the group of companies, and going to discuss about different entities, and going to prepare the financial statement by requirement of the assignment to meet all these learning outcome in this assignment. So some background, please. Accounting reporting is very important. It need to be true and fair, as because the creative accountant lot, there's a huge impact. Like in case of Enron and World Telecom, those, the scandals happened recently. Trillion construction companies in the UK, that's hugely impact, the like shortfall of the pension fund. So we need to be make sure, according to ISA International Accounting Standard, information need to be true and fair. So please, we included here some example, explain the importance of the professional behavior. So we can discuss about the professional ethics and behaviors of the accountant towards that help, to be increase the trust of the clients, so we need to be. So that's, we can explain some elements there, and we discuss about, ethic requirement, corporate reporting. Of course, we have to follow the accounting standard and professional code of ethics, assess applications of the financial reporting framework, strength and the weaknesses of financial reporting framework. So please, there are plenty of articles. If you click there, financial reporting framework, and say ACC article on it, so you can read the article, you can pick stuff. I already gave you, shared with you the book. You can, pick open, the lecture slide, which is lesson 1 and 2 lecture slide that's relevant to task 1. Anyone, any question, please? Okay, if any question, please, you can ask. Feel free. Okay, then please start. Yes,
Sorry.
please.
So when is the last class? Is it next Sunday?
Yesterday was, this is the last class, about assignment discussion. And then within 2 weeks, you try to prepare your assignment. If you can't, no problem, we can, it's flexibility in a way whenever you can complete, but as you complete and submit, that will help. I mean, quickly we can mark and then we can sign off here. The last
Okay, so
class was about
so
financial. That was yesterday.
say again, so I didn't get that part.
The last class was about financial ratios which happen, and I'll send you all the recording.
Oh, okay, the last class was last Sunday.
Uh, that was yesterday.
Oh, yesterday. Okay, I missed that one.
Okay, no problem. I'll send you all the recording, all the lessons.
Okay,
If need to book,
and
we can book one-to-one, more lessons.
please, if I can have a one-to-one with you so I can then know what to do on each part of the stages we've gone through, I would really appreciate.
No problem. So let me know if you're free. Uh, Monday we can, or next week we can, as suits you.
Monday is perfect for me.
So what time is
Tomorrow.
best? Tomorrow, what time is best for you?
Um, just maybe 1 p.m. is okay, or when is best for you?
Mm, I, as per my timetable, I'm not teaching my other place, so I can do tomorrow if you want 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Yeah, great. Thank you
Yeah,
very much.
Hi, Anjum sir. Good afternoon. Yeah, is it possible to do a bit earlier, if possible, around 11 or 12 o'clock, so I can join as well?
okay. You want one-to-one?
Yeah, I can join. With Popo Ropo.
Yes, no problem. Yeah, that's fine if you want, any question. I can send you the stuff, go through, and any question, and tomorrow we can go through again. Huh?
Okay. So
Okay,
maybe 12 o'clock then, so that
no problem.
Shalik, we can do Shalik together, or I don't know.
No, that's fine, no problem. You can. Huh? So I'll send you the link, I'll create and I'll send you, and you have the WhatsApp group, huh, where you can chat as well. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
no,
So we are going to have it what time tomorrow?
12 is okay with you, so I will arrange.
Okay.
So I'll send you the link, huh, separate.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so please, we can look around the task 2. When you do the task 2, you can pick the examples like one question on the cash flow, look around, explain the associate and any joint arrangement within the group. If you are doing any question like a group and consolidated statement, what I'm going to do, I'm going to share with you in the chat box in a minute, the handout, just 1 second. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so this is the separate, the handout, which is just on the consolidated statement. So any question, if you want from the handout, you can. I'll send you separate, further, the few on each topic. I'll send you separate handout, like on the cash flow, on consolidated statement. Those will help you. So that's, is just, you can pick any question or from the, if you want to change the figures, you can just explain underneath, the parent is, associate is, what is about in this statement, what you're demonstrating. So that's, will meet the criteria. That's absolutely fine then. Okay, so this is your task 2, please. We need to, and then task 3. Task 3 is about the financial ratio. So please, financial ratios help to measure the financial performance. You can add 2 year ratios of the company of your choice or pick from the handout as recommended in the slide. And you can draw the recommendation based on the ratios, which year or which company. You can pick 2 companies and you can compare their ratios, and you can suggest, like we discussed about Papika and Anika, one of the companies. I'll send you separate the ratios handout as well, where you can pick the example you can explain. I'll send you the article limitation of the ratio. Ratio itself not just a criteria to measure the performance, but we can look around political, economic, social, technological environment. That's also, and we can put some reference that will help you to. Okay, then we can look around overall conclusion, and we can add some reference like the Kaplan, and if you're getting from the website and the access date. So this is called a Harvard reference style. So in your previous qualification, hope you already aware of. If not, we can further go through, and we have the handouts available how we can do the reference, Harvard reference style. Okay, so that's the way we can prepare. So if you give me 1 minute, I'll try to log in on Moodle, and I'll show you the sample assignment available to look, those as well. Okay, anyone, any question? Carry on asking, please, if you like to ask.
What about the material to answer task 3 and 4?
Task 3 and 4. We have 3 tasks, yes. So is LO4 is the task 3. And yes, so we have the material like on the financial ratios handout. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's we can use. So second, if I can log in, not allowing me to log in. So, okay, can you log in on Moodle page, please? If you log in, check, can you see the sample assignment is available on your end, please? Because we changed the Moodle, and we are on the new Moodle page instead of old VLE, virtual learning environment. I just want to make sure you have access to old assignment or not.
I probably have it, but I'm sorry, I haven't logged in a while.
In some time.
I don't even know the websites.
Sorry, I'm trying my picture. Just 2 more minutes. Oops, okay, so do you have a handout which I already sent you last week, please? If you look, you have the Kaplan booklet.
Okay. Is it on the
WhatsApp group I shared with you, please?
Okay. Okay, that's fine. I'll go and get it. Okay, when you say the Kaplan booklet, is it a link that you sent?
Kaplan booklet, on the WhatsApp group, within the WhatsApp group, you're not managed to
Yeah.
find? No?
Was it a link?
No, it was attachment.
It's
Oh,
in the
okay.
WhatsApp group. Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
You can see. Okay, good.
Mm.
Okay, I think so. I can't.
Can you reply to it so that I can pick it up? Because I'm I don't know which one it links to.
Okay, no problem. I can resend you if you want.
Oh, okay.
Give me.
If you just reply to it, like, you know, like say in the WhatsApp group, say this one.
Yes.
Financial analysis.
Sorry, I'm just sharing with you. I'll share with you all.
Okay.
I can reshare with you, so you have all in your. So that's available on the last week. If you scroll up, I can show you here. Okay, so can you see please here on the WhatsApp group? I shared with you these booklets. Yes.
Yeah, mock consolidated test. Yeah.
So if you look the integrated this book, yes, you have the tutor copy, you have the student copy. Student copy indicate the question, and the tutor copy indicates the answers for those questions. Huh? Then other than that, I shared with you Osborne handout. This is in our PowerPoint slides. Each lecture we refer which question is under which chapter. Like when you're doing consolidated, or when you're doing your cash flow, which I mentioned you chapter 6 of the book, this booklet which is we refer during our lesson. So you can pick the question if you're doing your, and you can pick and you can copy the data. If you want to slightly change the layout, you can as well. Or if you have yourself, you have any companies or any example to just write in the assignment, which is absolutely fine to use, but keeping in view of your client details. Don't use these. Sometimes data protection, just keep in mind. Okay, so like here you will see the 6.3, the question which we refer, the statement preparing the cash flow. Yes, you will see there the statement of cash flow, and that was the question to prepare the statement cash flow. So that's help you for second task. And within, if you, the task one is all about more critical point of view, and that's the uh, chapter 7 is interpretation of financial ratios, which is mean the financial ratios, which is task 3 of your assignment. So you can pick, you can do some ratios from here, or I can send you each areas, separate handout, like for task 1, task 2, task 3. So those you can use as well if you want. Huh? So plenty of stuff you have, whichever you want to use, you can use it, and you can say according to the Osborne booklet. Yes. So
Okay.
is it, have you managed to, if you scroll up, you can find all these in the group, in our reporting, the WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
You're already on the WhatsApp group. So if you scroll up, you can all download. Have you managed to?
Yeah, I've seen them. Yes, thank you.
Okay, no problem. If you need, so we can go through again. Okay, so please, you can do some reference if you never. Just try to locate if I can, in a minute. Share with you the sample assignment. Otherwise, it's available on our Moodle page. For some reason I can't log in at the moment, but I can send you.
Sorry, sir. Could you please share some sample assignment, please? Yeah.
Yes, sure. I'll share with you on the WhatsApp group. Huh?
Okay, please. Yeah, thank you.
So later on, I'll download. Because some reason is not allowing me to log in on the Moodle page, but we have good few sample assignment. I'll share with you. You can pick the sample, change the questions. Yes, just rewrite in your, and just make sure add the few examples and reference, and from your own background. You can anything relevant to the task. You can include to meet the criteria. That's the key. Okay, the way which I showed you, that you can structure like.
Sorry, could you please also send the link to sign into the model as well, please? Yeah.
Sign into Moodle. I can send you the link. Some
Yeah.
reason I can't log in at the moment myself. Maybe just system down or something. Okay, can you see the link is there? You have already the password. If any issues, you can drop emails to admin@ukversity, yes, .co.uk, and someone will reset the password for you from there. And sometime it can be, but normally it shouldn't be, because we moved all the old data to our new Moodle VLE system where
I
every
got the link. Thank you so much.
so if not, please, if any issues you can't log in, then send emails to admin@ukversity.co.uk, and someone will get back to you. Or even on that, within chat box, WhatsApp group, you can say, I can't log in, please, help me. Yeah? So I'll share with you the sample assignment, the template as well, and please, just follow the template, just write underneath, and just meet the criteria, and we can fulfill the requirement of the assignment. Then of course, absolutely fine. You can send me before final submission, please, if you want to send me. So you can send me Anjum@University, yeah, before submission, so I can give you feedback. I can say, come on, maybe you can add this, that here, or the reference not right, so I can assist you those separately as individually. Okay, and after showing the work, you can submit learner work at ukversity.co.uk, and then that goes our central team, and they will mark and pass to IVs and all other processes, and then of course they can submit and sign off you accordingly. Then you carry on getting each unit. Whenever you complete, you will get the certificate that you pass this unit, which is written your result, you pass this with this grade. And then of course you carry on doing whatever. Couple of people maybe need to complete 4 or 5, or only 2, depends your exemption. And then of course you will get full your qualification. And then of course you can, if you want to apply with IFA directly on the membership, you can apply. And then if you want to any software, like you think, if you're not working or anything, if you like to discuss with me, you can as well. So I can recommend you, of course, you get the cheaper package as well. From depends which software you use. So if you want to generate the reports in the software, adding something, and the copy the the like a consolidated statement in the group, download, add it into, copy into your within the assignment, that's also absolutely fine. But not your client's information. You can say ABC Limited instead of any particular company. Huh? So that's help you, because make it okay. So that's all from my end. Please, if any question from anyone. Okay, tomorrow I'll send you link as well. We can go back to the task 1, task 2, and I can further assist you, those like to. Okay, thank you. Have a lovely weekend. Thanks for attending, and hope will speak you some point. And please, if you have any stage, you have any questions, those are listening this recording, please, you can drop me email as well, and anjum@ukversity.co.uk, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and we can go through things individually. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye now.
Bye bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.